Hi guys.
We're back here with another mukbang. Oh my god.
From McDonald's.
And we're at McDonald's. We got some french fries.
Maybe we should have got the...
We got a Big Mac right here. Got some more french fries, and my mom also got a Big Mac. And we got a 20-piece McChicken nugget. And if I'm not mistaken, it's been 6 months since we did our last video.
Yeah. I uploaded some videos to the app.
Oh yeah, my mom uploaded some videos.
I think it was a birthday video.
Oh yeah, in the time that I got hit in the face.
Birthday video was
That was for my birthday.
birthday video. And what else? Glow night video.
And that was for my birthday.
Water park video.
Oh yeah, we was at the water park. I had some honey mustard and sweet and sour. I was just over here playing on the playground because McDonald's has a playground here. It's pretty cool. Every time when well, not every time, well, most of the times when I come to McDonald's, I usually go to the playground because I like it. It's fun. What did you get, Mom? Oh, you got the same thing?
I got the same thing as you, except for I got some nuggets to...
Oh, wait. And we also got a milkshake. A McDonald's milkshake, vanilla milkshake. Always top. That's my go-to. Really my go-to if we're on the road, like going down to the city. My go-to is like french fries, chicken nuggets, and probably a burger. Or sometimes just regularly french fried chicken nuggets.
Oh, this is a snack today.
Yeah, this is basically my real lunch. Because in 6th grade school, they serve it to me at 10:40 or 10:05. It depends on A day, B days, or C days.
Maybe we should take a picture.
Oh yeah, the thumbnail. Ready? Cheese.
Oh, maybe it should be of the food.
Nah, just us. Oh wait, us eating the food. So I'm hot. Alright, I got it. Right, 3, 2, 1. I think I caught it.
I hope so.
So guys, today...
Still trying to figure it out.
So guys, today after school... Actually, let me start from the beginning.
Oh gosh.
A few weeks ago, well, a few days ago, my mom got a call in from the school. It's nothing bad. But there's a lady that's in my school. And she asked me if I want to sign up for this program. And me and my... Yes, please. And me and my mom said yes. Because she said that we'll be painting pumpkins. And we'll be painting pumpkins. We'll be going bowling once. We'll probably do some sports. We're gonna go canoeing in the spring. It's like an all-year thing for 6th graders that are in my school. And today was my first day, and I went pumpkin painting. So I painted my pumpkin.
Like a pirate.
Yeah, I painted it like a pirate because I wanted to do Chucky, but I changed my mind to do it as a pirate. And it was like hot in the room, but it was actually fun. I met my mentor. She's really nice.
What's her name?
Mrs. L.
Mrs.
Mrs. L.
Mrs. L.
I have a picture of her.
I don't know.
Let me show you.
You show me, not the camera.
Yeah, I know. Just can't have you in my business.
I mean, we don't know who she wants to be.
On camera.
See? Oh, she's pretty.
Her name is Mrs. L.
Hmm.
She's a reading teacher.
Did you want ketchup or no? Alright, because I could give that back to her.
And today we went pumpkin painted. So my vice principal was a mentor. My science teacher is a mentor. Who else? The two co-hosts was a mentor.
And
Oh, my study hall teacher is a mentor.
that's nice. So it's teachers that you know. But that's good.
And that was my first time meeting her. We were supposed to meet like a few days before, but today I met her. And we met in their computer lab.
Yeah, but the teacher, she says y'all don't do homework. So it's just mostly for after school learning, huh?
After school activities. And it's from 3:30 to 5 o'clock. Oh, Mom, we're gonna be
That's not bad.
and we're gonna be cooking, and I might have to stay out until 6.
Well, as long as you call me like you did, maybe I can meet you. Or maybe, she's afraid of you walking home by yourself.
Yeah, she didn't want me to walk home because I told her that I could walk anywhere. I could walk that way, I could walk this way, or I could walk that way.
Or you could have told her that you was on the phone with me, because you was.
Yeah.
I should have told you that. I thought she was asking you something else, though.
No, she was asking me something else. She was asking me, Octavius, are you sure you can walk home by yourself? I was like, yes, I can. My mom lets me walk home every day.
Yeah.
All right,
Those
let's.
are crazy people.
Yeah.
I'm taking a bite. Big Mac.
2 Big Macs with some Mac sauce. Oh. This is good.
Is it? Well, I'm hoping it doesn't make me sick like that.
Oh, Mom, today I also have to get my student ID.
You got your student ID? Well, that's good.
I didn't get it yet. Guys, today was basically like a mini picture day because now that I'm in 6th grade, oh my God, I have to have my picture taken.
Here's a napkin for you.
Thank you. So I can have my student ID. And yesterday I took a test.
And you know how you did on it?
I feel like I did good.
Yeah, you feel like you did good. Did you know the work? Okay. Well, that works.
Guys, comment down below if you guys are in 6th grade. And let me know.
We gotta tell them. Like and subscribe. And we're on the road to how many? 1,000.
Yeah, like and subscribe.
Hit the like button.
Hit the follow button. Make sure that you turn on your post notification every time when we upload a video.
And
So-
we're gonna come in here with some good content.
So for Christmas, what I want for Christmas is gonna be a PS4 and some gaming content, so I can start gaming and edit and upload videos. So I'm gonna do gaming videos for you guys and try my best to upload.
Wow. Every time you try to do a video, there's something going on in the background.
I know. We'll try to edit them out. Anyway, guys. Oh, I also got
that's even the rules. When we upload with people in the background, can you actually, you know what I'm saying?
guys.
We're talking, and it's gonna pick up their voices. So hopefully they're just in here just to get food and leave.
I also got a new phone, brand new phone. I got it from my grandma. She paid for it and gave it to me. And I had it for almost like, what, 2-3 weeks now?
Yeah.
2-3 weeks now.
So we can keep tabs on him, and we know where he is, and communication.
You think we should get a Life 360?
What is that?
Life 360 is where you know where I'm at.
Is that a map? Yeah, if that goes on your phone, we need to do that.
So say if I got, God forbid, but say if I got kidnapped, right? And you said, why isn't he inside? It's way past his time. You can go check my Life 360 and see me where my location is. Or if my phone is, you can see where my last location is. Or if my phone is dead, you can still see. Or Dante has this thing is where his phone is dead and he gets lost, his parents can still track him.
Oh, nice. That's what you need.
So,
You need that.
so if he's walking home or walking somewhere, right? And his parents are going to get him, his character is going to keep moving. Because then he's going to know, then his parents is going to know where he's at.
You just ran out.
Your little brother left. And mind you, right now, it's 6:12 and it's that dark.
It is dark out.
Like 7, 8:30 type dark.
That's what it looked like, but it's not. Oh, they coming here to eat. Oh my gosh.
Guys, we're gonna have to end the video soon. We're gonna have to end the video soon because these kids are in here.
They gonna come in here. They gonna be in here making noise,
And we
they done bought the time. They come.
Yep. Alright guys, we're gonna have to end the video in a minute or two. Make sure that you like, subscribe.
Either that or you guys keep talking over and on. So that way they don't know. You don't wanna keep talking.
I can just continue the video when we get to the house.
But the mukbang will be done.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll be done with our food by then. You know. That's the reason why I came over here. It's because I thought it was quiet and, you know, it'd be easier. Even though the music that's playing, hopefully that doesn't copyright us. I'm still learning the YouTube game, guys.
Like I said, make sure that you guys like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and so you know when we upload, you guys can see the videos. So every other day, when we get our YouTube equipment, we'll be trying to like upload as much as we can.
Oh, we just gonna do events and festivals
And pranks.
places we go, like we did, like the balloon festival. We was thinking maybe of going to the
And then once we
hayride, but we
get,
can't video there.
yeah. And guys,
You was gonna talk over me. That's not rude.
sorry.
You wait till I'm finished talking, then you talk. Now go talk.
Oh. And once we get to 1,000 followers, 1,000 subscribers, we'll probably go somewhere to celebrate. So.
You'll see what happens in the YouTube world. We'll probably do some giveaways.
Maybe.
Well, depending on how our following is and what kind of content y'all want to see.
Yeah, comment below what type of content that y'all want to see.
Yeah, we'll wait. Let us know what you like to see.
Maybe I want to do some pranks or something. Or probably go do something. But make sure that the content is not going to be too crazy. Where we could probably get hurt.
Which one do you want to take? Do you want to take this one?
Anyway, we got to end the video, guys. I'll see you later. Bye.